Welcome to J&J's test video for S4CE313 2004 Chevrolet SSR, 102,000 miles. Hit in the rear here, basically just bent the unibody right there and ruined the rear bumper, and that was it. Top does work, has some good grills on it. This one's been repainted. I took that one off already to make sure it's a good grill, never been broke. Got some Bondo repair in the hood. Like every SSR, it's already been wrecked. Got a good running 5.3. It's a pretty clean car. I'll show you the top works and all that jazz. CD player does not work. Here we are, 102114. Let me put the top down. Oh, maybe not today. Oh, it worked the other day, but today it's not working. Yeah. There it goes. All right, now we can listen to the engine. Show you the transmission works. Let me go put that hood down. I don't like driving with those hoods up. Park it and put the roof up. With the other SSR. Alright. Alright, now let's see if it goes back up. Oh, I gotta have my foot on the brake. That window regulator works. This window regulator works. Let's check the mirrors. Out, in, up, down, right side, out, in, up, down. Alright. CD player's broke. Heater controls work. Faces just kind of worn off. The cluster's bad. That speedometer says we're doing $135. So there you go. S4CE313. As always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.